junior suite. We are on the third floor, I believe, or the second floor. Beautiful king size bed. See, the luggage already prepped. We have a pina colada at the reception. My husband would like that. His name is Party, Mrs. Totenko and Party. Let's see. So this is your living room. Watch your step. Everything looks out towards the surf side of the ocean. Here you have a sitting area, lounge. The wind's really, really nice, and it's actually raining. Yeah. So this is the surf side. I don't see anybody out on the beach for good reason. But Curtain Bluff also has a bay side, which is calmer, so we'll go there after. This is again a junior suite room facing the ocean, and the bathroom is over here. You have a full-size tub and a rain shower as well. Molten brown amenities. Let's see. What do they have in the snack bar? Snack bars replenished each time. So we have rum. It's called Cavalier. Let's see. Plantains, nuts, chocolate. What do we have here? Water, soda, beer, and coffee. So really nice. This is going to be home for the next 3 days. Thank you, Curtain Bluff. I'm sure we'll love it here. We love it already.